Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the resource. Trivago.com. It's a name synonymous with hotel searches, a constant presence in travel advertisements, and a go-to for many when planning a getaway. But what exactly is Trivago, and how effective is it in the crowded field of online travel agencies? Let's delve in and explore this popular platform. At its core, Trivago acts as a hotel search engine. Think of it as a vast digital marketplace where numerous hotels, from budget-friendly hostels to luxurious resorts, list their available rooms and rates. Rather than directly booking accommodations through Trivago, the website redirects you to the booking platform offering the specific deal. This could be the hotel's own website, or another online travel agency like Booking.com, Expedia, or Hotels.com. Trivago gathers a vast collection of hotel data from these various sources, presenting them in a comparative format, allowing users to filter results based on their preferences. You can refine your search using criteria like price, star rating, location, amenities, and guest reviews. This simplifies the initial stages of planning a trip, enabling you to quickly scan a broad spectrum of options before diving deeper into the specifics. The platform's design aims to streamline the process, empowering travelers to compare prices from different providers in one convenient location. This can potentially save you time and money by allowing you to identify the best deal available. However, it's important to keep in mind that the prices displayed on Trivago are not always guaranteed to be the absolute lowest. Factors like fluctuations in demand, available room inventory, and individual booking site policies can impact the final price. Therefore, it's always advisable to double-check the rates directly with the booking platform before finalizing your reservation. While Trivago provides a valuable starting point, it's only one piece of the travel planning puzzle. Utilizing a combination of resources, including direct hotel websites and other comparison tools, can help you secure the best possible deal.